LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we mentioned how we can look at the chart and how all the possibilities. Okay, now want to see whether we can look for this one as a reversal or not. Okay, as we can see, we get the more sharp move, we get the correction here. Okay, still we can look for this one as a trade. If we get any buy from here, we can take it. All right, and what we want to get the sharp move, and beside that we can have entry above this step, and that's mean we can have entry above here, which is around 7 3 sorry around, we can entry above the top and it will be around 357. Okay, what we want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag this is not moving within the first hour, we take out the trade. Why? Because in my last analysis, still we mentioned still we can expect this one turn to flat for one more drop. Okay, that's why first we start with the higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. First of all, we have been looking for the price to break 370. As you can see the price tag, but it couldn't break. Okay, that's why we will expect to get the correction here before we get the next move, because 370 is highest price of the LTC. And but based then in this case we move to forward chart, and as we can see based on forward chart, right, the price couldn't break and now we're within this correction. All right, if this one turned to deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation for the next move. But anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart, again, as we can see, few times the price tag the highest price, but it couldn't break. Now we want to see how we can look at this, whether we put these two in relative to each other, and this is the start of the up move, or still we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction, at least with the breakout of this low, one more drop before we get the next move. Both option we can consider because we're looking at this flat. Okay, now the question is either the price reverse from here, or we can expect to get the flat, one more drop before we get the reversal. Any reversal for buy we can look for, but right now we're looking at this. Okay, shall we wait for one more drop before the price reverse or not? How about if the price continue from here? That's why we're looking at this. If we get any trade setup from here, we will take it. We get a sharp move correction. Okay, any trade from here we will take for buy. And the other things is if we can have entry above this. As I mentioned right now, the price can be around 357. But we should know if we want to have entry at 357, what we want the price sharply tag, break, and continue. But if the price tag we see is not moving within the first hour, we take out the trade. Why? Because still we can expect this one tend to correction as a flat for one more drop before we get the reversal. Okay, and if this one continues a corrective, we are not looking for buy. We're looking for the sharp move. What I mean by sharp move, similar to what we get here. It, if we had entry above this, it's broke and continue. Okay. Anyway, right now we're looking for this, and even if you get any buy, we want to see whether the price can break 370 or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.